A beautiful wood fire without the harmful pollutants. When you choose PureFire, PureSky, and other fine products from FMI. Innovation on fire. At FMI, we offer the best of both worlds. All the warmth, comfort, and charm of a wood fire without all the harmful pollutants. As a full-line manufacturer of world-class fireplace products since 1978, we specialize in everything from wood to gas to electric and beyond. As a dealer, purchaser, builder, architect, or consumer, it might even surprise you to learn wood smoke is responsible for as much as 1/3 of harmful particulates in the air. That's why the EPA has developed a new standard for wood-burning fireplace emissions. Our product offering starts with our U.S. patented and EPA award-winning PureFire technology, a smoke purification product for new products and retrofits alike. PureFire removes over 75% of particulate matter from a polluted airstream and almost all the carbon monoxide and other volatile organic compounds, making them the world's cleanest wood-burning fireplaces. They're maintenance-free, and they're also extremely affordable. But we go beyond green products. We have traditional mosaic masonry indoor and outdoor fireplaces, wood-burning, direct vent, B-vent, vent-free, electric, stoves, and gas logs. Back that all up with 5-day just-in-time delivery, a legacy of expert industry knowledge and customer support. And those are just a few reasons thousands of people are using FMI products all over North America. A beautiful wood fire without the harmful pollutants. When you choose PureFire, PureSky, and other fine products from FMI. Innovation on fire. If you don't have a business connection with FMI yet, mention this video and see about a special discount on your first order. If you do, ask about our special Innovations on Fire display materials. Thank you.